Here's some modern muscle, unique especially in classics. 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. And listen to this, 2-owner car, 1,997 miles is all. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Of course, that 6.2 liter supercharged Demon Hemi V8 underneath the hood. 808 horsepower, 717 pound-feet of torque. Let's take a look at this front grille, front fascia, headlights, chin spoiler. This one does have the flat black paint, satin graphics, I guess, if you will. That is an option on the window sticker. And if you want to see the window sticker and all the pictures of this car, undersides, interior, engine bay, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct SRT wheels, those sticky tires, big Brembo brakes behind with the slotted rotors. Now, as far as the options on this car, there is a plethora of them. I'm not going to be able to hit them all. Obviously, check out that still picture. That will give you exactly how this car is equipped from the factory. The things I can quick tell you about is it does have the Demon vehicle storage package, red seat belts, power sunroof, the painted black satin graphics that we talked about, and of course the comfort audio group with leather seats. As we look down this passenger side, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint has a nice shine to it. Destroyer gray, black interior. And we do have tinted side glass on this, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There you get a better idea of those painted graphics on the deck lid, the roof, of course, the flat black spoiler, and once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, this is going to have your standard options. Hey, your go fast in a straight line, drag mode, suspension, line lock, after run cooler, launch assist, trans brakes, etc. As we take a look down this driver's side, you can see, once again, paint in immaculate shape. What you'd expect in a car with less than 2,000 miles. And yes, we have the red key and the black key. I happen to have the black key in here at the moment. We will fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your modern amenities, your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, and these would be ventilated and heated, as well as your heated steering wheel and condition on the interior. It's like the exterior, basically like getting a car out of the wrapper. Driven very little, well cared for. And let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles, 1,997. This one will not be leaving the showroom. Top of the dash, all good. Of course, the U-Connect. All your controls. Of course, your dual climate controls. And what everybody wants to hear, a little bit of that muscle. All right, sounds good, doesn't it? Let's slip up to the front, pop the hood, take a peek underneath it. And no, like I said, this one's not leaving the showroom. Jason will not be taking this one out for a test drive. We're keeping it less than 2,000 miles. Let's take a peek at the engine. All right, to the good part. Up that air grabber hood. Love these graphics. Air grabber hood. There it is. That Demon Hemi. Cold air intake. Nice and clean and tidy underneath there, just what you'd expect. 6.2 liters of supercharged power, 808 horsepower, I believe they were rated at. 717 pound-feet of torque. Looks good underneath there, doesn't it? Here's your chance to own one. 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon, 2-owner car, under 2,000 miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, check out the window stickers. I'll have a copy of that with all the other still pictures so you can see exactly how this is equipped. Look forward to hearing from you.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.